How to archive and unarchive messages on Google Messages. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. So there are two steps to archive the messages. It's very quick and simple. First, click on the message you want to archive. Here you'll find an option of archive. You can click on that and archive it. Or the second way is either you swipe it left or you swipe it right, and it will automatically get archived. For example, I have archived the message here, and now to unarchive the message you have to click on your profile icon on the top right, and then you have to click on archived. Once you click on archived, here you'll find your message. You have to click on it and hold it, and here you'll find an option of unarchive. Click on that, and this is how you unarchive the message that you just archived. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.